There are luxury vehicles that make you feel like you're driving something special, and then there are vehicles that completely change the meaning of arriving in style. The new 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach VS680 VIP Luxury 7-seater is designed around that second idea. It takes the familiar shape of a large premium van and transforms it into something that feels closer to a private luxury lounge on wheels. From the dramatic front grille to the beautifully finished cabin, this is the kind of vehicle that isn't trying to disappear into traffic. It's designed to be noticed. Welcome back to Imaginary Motors. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach VS680 VIP Luxury 7-seater, a vehicle built around one simple philosophy: maximum luxury without giving up the space and practicality of a premium van. From the first glance, the VS680 has a presence that's hard to ignore. The front end is where that character really begins. A huge, elegant grille dominates the nose, surrounded by bright chrome detailing and sleek LED lighting. The headlights give the van a more sophisticated expression, while the sculpted lower bumper adds just enough aggression to keep the design from feeling too formal. And that combination is what makes this vehicle interesting. It's large and practical like a luxury MPV, but the details give it the visual attitude you'd normally expect from an ultra-premium sedan. The hood is long and clean, the body surfaces are smooth, and the glossy black finish gives the entire vehicle a dramatic appearance under showroom lighting. Every reflection across the body emphasizes its size and shape. This isn't a vehicle that needs wild styling tricks to attract attention. Its proportions do most of the work. If you're enjoying this kind of luxury car content, take a second to hit the like button. It really helps the channel, and it tells us you want to see more vehicles like this on Imaginary Motors. Move toward the side, and the VS680's proportions become even more impressive. The long body creates an enormous amount of visual space, while the dark glass gives the passenger compartment a private, executive feel. Chrome accents around the windows and lower body add another layer of sophistication without making the design look excessive. And then you notice the wheels. Large, elegant multi-spoke wheels fill the arches beautifully, giving this big van a planted stance. They're not designed to scream performance. Instead, they communicate refinement, almost like the wheels on an expensive chauffeur-driven sedan. The rear continues that premium theme with tall, sharply shaped lighting, clean bodywork, chrome details, and a wide stance. From behind, the VS680 looks substantial and expensive. The rear design is deliberately clean, because the real drama is happening inside. Open those sliding doors, and this vehicle changes completely. The cabin is where the VIP character becomes obvious. Instead of feeling like a traditional people carrier, the interior is designed to resemble a private lounge. Soft luxury seating, premium surfaces, ambient lighting, generous legroom, and carefully placed trim create an atmosphere that feels calm and exclusive. The second row VIP area is especially important. This is the space where passengers are supposed to relax rather than simply sit. The seats can be designed around comfort, with generous cushioning, individual armrests, reclining functionality, and plenty of room to stretch out. And because this is a 7-seater, the VS680 doesn't completely sacrifice practicality for luxury. It can still accommodate a larger group while maintaining an upscale environment. That's a difficult balance, and it's one of the strongest ideas behind this vehicle. Technology also plays a major role. A modern luxury cabin needs more than beautiful seats, and the VS680's interior is built around that expectation. Digital displays, connected infotainment, premium audio, ambient lighting, smart climate controls, and passenger-focused technology all contribute to the experience. But here's the interesting part: luxury isn't just about adding more screens. It's about making the cabin feel effortless. The best luxury vehicles don't constantly remind you how much technology they have. They make everything feel simple and intuitive. Now let's talk about performance. A vehicle this large isn't really about attacking corners or chasing sports cars. The goal is effortless movement. You want strong, smooth acceleration, confident highway cruising, and enough power to move the vehicle and its passengers without making the cabin feel stressed. That's where the character of a premium luxury van really matters. The ideal driving experience should feel quiet, composed, and relaxed. Whether you're heading across the city, cruising down the highway, or taking passengers on a long journey, the VS680 is at its best when it feels like the road is simply moving underneath you. And that brings us to the driving experience. From the driver's seat, the elevated position gives you a commanding view of the road. The long body requires awareness, but modern cameras, sensors, parking assistance, and driver support technology can make maneuvering a vehicle of this size much easier. Safety is another major part of the luxury experience. A premium family and executive vehicle needs confidence as much as comfort. Features such as advanced driver assistance, collision awareness, parking technology, blind spot monitoring, and stability systems can help create a reassuring environment for both the driver and passengers. Now I'm curious, if you had the choice, would you take this 7-seat Maybach-style luxury van over a traditional luxury SUV? Tell me in the comments, because the answer says a lot about what modern luxury really means to you. The ideal buyer for the VS680 is someone who wants more than transportation. Maybe you're looking for an executive vehicle, a chauffeur-driven VIP van, a premium family cruiser, or simply something that gives every passenger a first-class experience. Instead of choosing between passenger space and luxury, this concept brings both together. And that's ultimately what makes the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach VS680 VIP Luxury 7-seater so fascinating. It doesn't try to turn a van into a sports car. It takes the advantages of a large luxury van, space, comfort, practicality, and pushes the premium experience much further. For me, the biggest attraction isn't just the enormous grille, the glossy black exterior, or the impressive wheels. It's the idea of transforming a practical 7-seat vehicle into something that feels genuinely special every time you open the door. If you enjoy seeing unusual luxury vehicles and imagining where automotive design is heading next, make sure you subscribe to Imaginary Motors and stay with us for the next review. Because the future of luxury isn't always about being lower, faster, or louder. Sometimes, it's about giving you more room to relax, more space to travel, and a cabin that makes every journey feel like an occasion. And the VS680 delivers exactly that feeling, the kind of vehicle that doesn't simply take you somewhere, but makes the journey itself feel like the destination.